Greetings and welcome to this video from Carthage's Hedberg Library. The purpose of today's video is to help you know and figure out whether Carthage subscribes to a specific journal, magazine, or newspaper or other publication. The tool that we're going to use is called Full Text Finder, and here's how to find it. You're going to start at the Carthage homepage, go to the Tools menu, and go to Library. From here, you scroll down until you get to Search the Hedberg Library Catalog. This takes you to the LibGuides page, which is sort of the entry of everything Carthage Library. You may need to scroll down a little bit. It's on the right over here and called Full Text Finder. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're going to enter the name of the journal that you're interested in. So let's say you are looking for the Journal of Experimental Social Psychology. Once you start typing, it should pop some things up, and if you find it, go ahead and click on it. It will show you, and you're going to have to wait for it, it will show you the title, and you could search within the publication, but let's just do this. So let's see which issues we have access to. So click Full Text Access, and it shows you that it runs from 1966 until the present, which is really awesome, and that it's available through Science Direct. You can click this link directly to get to the Journal of Experimental Social Psychology, and then from here, you're going to do things like search in this journal or whatever. Find the one that you want. All right, let's go back and do another. Let's say that we wanted to look for applied nursing research. Okay, that one, notice, didn't pop up right away, and we're going to hit search, and we're going to find something else that's totally unrelated. This is what happens when we do not have a subscription to that particular journal. You just won't find it. All right, third example. Let's say we're looking for something called The Atlantic, and a patron contacted me today looking for The Atlantic and wondering if we had a subscription to it. So I'm going to search on that, and I see this one that is from the BBC that says that this only has 1996. Hopefully that's not what they're looking for. This one says that there are various and sundry years of it. Notice that 1993, 1995, so on and so on. Hopefully what they're looking for is actually the Atlantic Monthly. When you click on the Atlantic Monthly, you will notice that there are a variety of different databases that actually have access to the Atlantic Monthly. You probably don't want to use one of these because these only go to 2018. And if you're looking for a new article, you will probably want to choose one of these other things. All right, if you click on one of these links and you don't actually get to it, and there are multiple links, just try a different one. All right, so we're going to go ahead at this point. A lot of times people start at the top. So let's go ahead and start at the top with Academic Search Premier. That says we have it. Okay, so it will show you right away that this is, now it's called Atlantic as opposed to the Atlantic Monthly. And you'll notice that down here, there are all the different years. If you knew that you wanted something from a 2019 September, you could go directly to that issue. Or, let's go back a minute. If you don't know exactly what you want, like your instructor says, find an article from the Atlantic from the last 3 years, you can search within this publication and then add, you're going to need to do an advanced search probably. The journal is the Atlantic and whatever keywords you're looking for. So let's put in something that will definitely be found, United States. That's not specific enough, but let's just use it as an example and search within the Atlantic for an article about the United States, the enemy within. That looks great. So remember, go to the tool on the LibGuides page that is called Full Text Finder, enter your journal name, and there you go. Thanks very much.